give it away to the father. So what I've done here is I've put together a few little instruments of accessories for John for your first child. So firstly, I like the kick in the stuff, right, when you're changing them. These little wash-off slippers are perfect for that. Keeps your toes clean. So, changing diapers, something your net will be, something you're going to have to do. Are you looking forward to it?
Oh, yes.
So this may help you then. So, a couple of clothes pegs on the side here. Not much after the 1 cent, right? Snip. And I've got some splash goggles. Obviously my head's too big. But basically, you don those on. Now, you're going to want to don the latex, obviously. Because it gets sloppy. And if you take the time to keep the kids' toes clean, you should keep your fingers clean too. Diapers, of course. And that's a whole financial issue in itself. We've got wipes, lotions, bottle cap, in case the kid blows off the one bottle, you got a backup. Because they're rough on the nipples.
How would you know?
At some point we all did. Soother, of course. Coffee to keep me awake. What have we got here? And hand cleanser. And you can pack a lot in this cup too. I have no idea why it measures in here, but obviously it's for measuring turd length. And before you do anything, before all of that, you got the big ass drop sheet. Over everything. And once you've got the dirty diaper off, you've got to change up, you've got the right? You pick up that puppy in a little package there, pull a bag out of here, and you pop it in the bag, zip it up, boom, gone. And all of that still basically sinks in and you enjoy it, or not. Backup plan is a box of jerky. Let me tell you, I bought this at the dollar store, so
you, Brian. Dad, you look like you know what you're doing. I think we'll just have you come over and take care of it.
No, too many miles on me.
I always wonder where he got those scars from.